How you guys doing today? This is Pobres Tacos. We're down on La Cienega and Pico Boulevard. We got the best birria tacos in town, quesabirrias, spreading the wealth, as you guys can see. Our sauces actually consist of red tomatoes, tomatillos, some straight chile japonés, cilantro, everything you can put. We also got a veggie mix, rice and beans if you wish to add on your tacos and griddles.
Okay.
We also make our vegan tacos are made of handmade tortillas.
Okay.
Everything vegan, no animals involved in that process.
How long has it been open here in this location?
This has been open for like about 2 months.
Okay.
So we're going on for 2 months, and people are receiving it well. Hopefully we can see everybody here soon.
The reason why I actually came here is I saw your article in the LA Times.
Right.
And I wanted to check you guys out. So.
Oh man, I hope you enjoy the food, and thank you everybody for watching. What's the channel?
It's Shaky Cooking.
Shaky Cooking.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming, bro. Peace.
This is where I got. It's the. This is the menu that they have.
Yeah, that's the quesabirria. That's the special.
I got the one for $3.
That's the
All three.
right there.
9 of them. It was for $9. Not bad. It's the article right here. If you guys are in the area, just check them out. Can you say the address of this place?
This is 6136 Pico Boulevard.
Okay. You want to say something?
No.
You want to say something?
No, thank you.
No. Okay. Okay. Take care, guys.
Thank
This
you.
is Pobres Tacos in LA, and check them out.
Thank you.
Thank you.